Meaning of indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite pronoun.
Indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. It refers to one or more unspecified persons, places, or things. Commonly used indefinite pronouns include anyone, everyone, someone, nothing, something, all, both, few, many, and several. These pronouns can be singular or plural, depending on the context of the sentence. They are often used to avoid repetition or to create ambiguity in a sentence. Understanding indefinite pronouns is important for effective communication and clear writing.